Say hi. So this episode, we're gonna show you guys all about the timing chain. That was kind of weak. But... Say bye.
Bye.
We decided we're gonna go with Rudy. R-O-O for the root beer. Huh. Well, it's gonna be a good day, Rudy. Make sure these gaskets are wet. This rubber one down here is laughing. Like, what's that gonna do? Put a rag in there and get that stuff scraped. I am gonna drain this, by the way. Let's put some good karma out in the world so that you can fight, fight, fight. Check out this crazy karma. Fed the birds, right? The first little bit of sunshine, and look where it's at. Like, warming up my engine for me. Look at that. It's the only sun anywhere on my whole property. It's the weirdest thing. What is going on with that? Look. The first sun ray. Look what I found. With that, in combination with that, it's top dead center too right now. But I wouldn't want my bicycle chain that loose. Half these valve cover bolts came off with just the extension, no ratchet, over half. That was some Ford Gray. Just a really light coat because it's got oil all over it. So, just to clean it, make it look clean, not to actually paint it. I got some parts, and I haven't touched that stuff since I've been gone. I did. See, I'm having a hard time figuring out how to get this chain on this bottom trick. It's a good place for me to stop. Back is killing me. See, any reason why I can't put this cover on right now while that soaks? So I'm gonna attempt. I think that was probably 30 minutes. Look at that thing. Wow. There we go. New gasket poking out. Everything good and tight. Here's what I'm gonna try. Over that. Over that big socket. This. See if we can do it without breaking anything. Got it. Turns out top of this, which I dented it down, but it's the perfect size. Put a glove on top of it. Ding, ding, ding. Hit home with that. Yes. See, that's what keeping your bolts together does for you. This thing, I think I'm gonna go get another one. I just don't trust it. And I do not want to dig back down in here again. So I got my corner gasket in there. Had to cut it to get it to fit, and then I'll cut this corner off to match the oil pan. I got both of these. I know there's some blue here, but I've been scraping that with a razor blade. I even took a wire wheel to it. You can't even feel it. It's so smooth. I'll scrape some more. I even use sandpaper, so might be as good as it gets. I'll get it. Fixing to put the orange all over this outside of this too. I got a few bolts in here just kind of hanging on to everything. Just hand tight right now. That bolt and that bolt back there. And I got these 4 in it. A little more than hand tight. 5 pounds maybe. This one's hand tight though, because I'm trying to get this bracket set up back on the smog. Those 4 pan bolts in too. Okay, it took me a long time to get this back on here to figure out the stack on those bolts. I got these down here tight, the ones that are independently in that. The water pump shares some of these. I gotta go ahead and get them down so the timing chain will be all the way tight, the cover. I need to clean this up. I think that's my next move, maybe, either way. And this bolt here has been a stud the whole time. It's never came out. And I think there's a nut goes on here now, but it won't get past about here. So I'm wondering if this bracket here it gets on there, and then it can tighten up all of them. But you'd think this would tighten up by itself first, like this. But I didn't misplace this bolt because that's never came out. This thing's been here the whole time. This will be tomorrow. Like that one. Maybe the intake. Got a lot further today than I thought. My goals were to get the timing chain on and this valve cover on. And I got way past that. Hit them with the impact. This one. Give you an idea I got. Thinking about taking some sandpaper and lightly sanding just the high edges, the square, the writing, the forward, bring it back to aluminum. So it's just contrasted even a little more. What do you think? There's the old one. See, look. But I have been noticing that a lot of Fords have these double teeth, double row. But it was super sloppy. one here ain't. Oh, can't see it no more. I'll do the radiator and the radiator hoses tomorrow. Put these on. I'll have it cranked up tomorrow. Check the fluids. Put water in it. I don't see anything new wet except for where I splashed some. Let's get it out and see what happens. I wonder if Rondo will hear it crank and come out. If it cranks. I probably missed something. Hope the buzzer goes off. No ding ding with the lights on. I'll do it one more time. Idling a little high. I can gear and get it out of here. Oh, why is it screaming like that? Power steering? Everything needs to. Check that too, I guess. I see a drop down there on the very bottom frame rail thing, but that might just be from putting water in it. I hope. If it's not, I guess I'll have to tear it apart again. Fingers crossed. Is that a drop? Well, no rain tonight, so I'll definitely know by morning. I stopped counting after 200. Feel free to pause and count for yourself. Look how perfectly symmetrical this one is. In honor of Mother's Day, I might use Sir Karen. Night of the Garden Lions. That's Karen.